In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Slack AI bot connected to company knowledge. To get started, the first thing you need to do is choose an AI platform that supports custom AI agents, knowledge-based integrations, Slack deployment, and API access. This is important because not every AI tool is designed for internal company support. You can use an AI agent builder, a no-code automation platform, or a custom AI solution, as long as it can connect your data and deliver answers inside Slack. Next, gather the company knowledge you want the bot to use. This might include employee handbooks, standard operating procedures, HR policies, training materials, internal documentation, project documentation, FAQs, and product knowledge bases. The more organized this information is before you upload it, the better your bot will perform. Clean, structured content usually leads to clearer and more accurate responses. After that, upload or connect your knowledge sources to the AI platform. Common integrations include Google Drive, Notion, Confluence, SharePoint, PDFs, websites, and databases. Once connected, the AI system will index the content so it can retrieve relevant information when users ask questions. Now create the AI bot itself. Set up the bot with a name, clear instructions, a tone of voice, and the right knowledge access permissions. A simple instruction style works well here. Tell the bot to answer employee questions using company documents to clearly say when information is unavailable and to keep responses concise and accurate. Good instructions help define how reliable and professional the bot feels. The next step is to configure knowledge retrieval. This allows the bot to search company documents, find relevant information, and use that retrieved content to answer questions. This setup is what keeps the bot grounded in real company data instead of generating vague answers. Once that's ready, connect Slack. In your AI platform, open the Integrations or Channels section, select Slack, click Connect Slack, sign into your workspace, and approve the required permissions. After that, the bot will be able to interact directly within Slack. Then decide how users will access the bot. You can allow direct messages, mention-based triggers and conversations, or dedicated support channels, such as an HR help channel or a general company knowledge channel. Choose the option that best fits how your team already communicates. Before launching, test common questions like onboarding steps, time-off requests, the location of the employee handbook, or travel reimbursement rules. Review the responses